Hello everyone. We are here to present our internship project on washing machine simulation under the internship guidance of Emertxe Information Technologies. This project is presented by myself V Yeshwanth and my friend Rakshith B G, who are currently studying in Don Bosco Institute of Technology, Bangalore. Firstly, I V Yeshwanth, who is going to explain the theoretical concept of our project, and working is explained by my friend Rakshith B G. So let's start. C programming is mainly used in our project. So C programming is used in system software development, embedded system development, OS kernel development, firmware, middleware, and so on. Some of the conditional constructs are single iteration, multiple iteration, conditional, and so on. Topic in C programming are operators. Operators on its operand returns a value. Arrays, collection of data of same data type. Pointers, parameter passing mechanism in function by passing the reference. Function, pass by value and pass by reference. Return more than one value from a function. Passing array, returning array, and recursive. Strings, sequence of characters. Storage, auto, register, static local, static global, and external. Next topic is microcontrollers, an integrated circuit which is capable of being programmed to perform a specific task. Some of the application of microcontroller are performance, price, availability of tools, specific capabilities. Next topic is microprocessors. A microprocessor is a computer processor wherein the data processing logic and control is included on a single integrated circuit. One of the key topic in our project is embedded systems. An embedded system is a combination of hardware and software which is integrated to do a specific task is called as an embedded systems. There are some real-time aspects: hard real-time, firm real-time, and soft real-times. Installation of software required for our project is done in 3 different steps by downloading 3 different softwares that are MPLAB XIDE, PixSimLab, XE8 compiler. Interfacing of LED was a simple demo program. Simple device used in most of the embedded application as a system feedback, works just like a diode, in which we actually use a microcontroller called as the PIC16F877E. Now let us know more about the software that we use. MPLAB XIDE. MPLAB XIDE is an expandable, highly configurable software program. Supports project management, editing, debugging, and programming of microchip 8-bit, 16-bit, 32-bit PICSIM microcontrollers. MPLAB is a freeware integrated development environment. Next we have PixSimLab. PixSimLab is a real-time emulate of development boards with integrated MPLAB X debugger. Next is XE8 compiler. XE8 compiler is a C compiler from microchip for 8-bit PICs, which is basically used for program running on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. This is the microcontroller that we use for our project, that is called as the PIC Genius PIC16F877E. This PIC16F877E features a 256 bytes of EEPROM, data memory, self-programming, LCD, and so many devices along with it. PIC16F877E is a 14-bit PIC microcontroller designed using RISC architecture, manufactured by Microchip, and is used in embedded projects. This is the board of PIC16F877E. This is the board architecture of PIC16F877E. Some of the key components used in the board are CLCD. So it's a character liquid crystal display. It has got 2 types of display. They are 16:2 and 16:4. Data processing in CLCD. Data processed basically in 2 methods. One is delay method and POL-D7 methods, and so on. Tactical switches is one of the key component in our microcontroller board. In matrix keypad, we need to configure rows as output and columns as input. And triggering methods, in matrix keypad, we need to configure rows as output and columns as input. Timers. It has 3 modes like PWM or pulse generator and counter. That's it. Let's see the working of our simulation project on PixSimLab software, which is explained by my friend Rakshith B G.
Hello, this is Rakshith from Don Bosco Institute of Technology. As my friend Yeshwanth gave a brief introduction of the theoretical concept of our project, now let us see the working. At first, we are writing the code in MPLAB XID and converting it to X file. And also in PiximLab, we are going to simulate it. So you can see in the IDE, these are the header files and the source files which were created after writing the code. Here we can see digital keypad, CLCD, ISR, and timer files in a C format, and also similarly the files in X format also. Let us save and build the project. Here we have saved it and we'll be building now. Now the build is successful and there were no errors, so it's successful. So then now the file is converted in X format. Let us open PiximLab for the simulation. So this is the PiximLab where we select the microcontroller as Pix 16F877A and the board as PIC Genius. And here in the PiximLab we can see the CLCD display, and here the fan and also the buzzer, and these are the digital pads. And now we have to load the X file, so we'll go to file and load X. So this is the X file we have created. We'll be opening this, and at first the screen will be showing as press key 5 to power on the washing machine. So we are going to press the key 5, which is RB4, power on. It shows power on the washing machine. So after that the washing programs is to be selected. So we have around 12 programs. To navigate in between the programs, we have to press RB3, which is the switch 4, and these are the washing programs. There are 12. If you want to select a particular program, you have to long press on this. As you can see here, we'll be I'm pressing this RB3. Yeah, next you have to select the water level. Here we have auto, low, medium, and also high. So here I am going to select medium. So you have to go long press on this RB3 button. Then it displays press switch to start and stop. Now we are using switch number 5 and 6 to start and stop. So this is the switch 5. We'll be starting the machine. So I have taken the program as run. So the fan rotates and it runs. The process starts. If it's if you press this RB0, shows the, and after on the buzzer we'll be getting the noise where it says that the door is not closed. After that the program continues. After clicking this RB6, it will be the fan, the fan will the rotation of the fan will be stopped and the process will be stopped completely, and after then we will be pressing switch 5 to start again. Yeah, the process completes, and it says that the problem is the machine working is completed. We have to remove our clothes, and that's it. Thank you for giving us the wonderful opportunity for um, doing this hands-on project. I will thank Emertxe for this. Thank you.